We're here today in York, Pennsylvania. We are pre-treating a concrete pad with a cleaning solution. It has a little bit of an algicide in it to kill all this black mold that's growing back here. We're going to come back and clean it with a surface cleaner. And I will come back in just a few. We're back here on the job in York, Pennsylvania. This concrete has been sitting a little bit with the cleaning solution on it to pre-treat. You can see the difference between the area that he's cleaned already and where he has yet to clean. We offer pressure washing using hot and cold water. We'll pressure wash your concrete, asphalt, brick, or stone. In addition to pressure washing, we also offer a soft wash house washing method, where we apply a cleaning solution at a low pressure and then rinse at a low pressure as well. We can clean those ugly black stains off your asphalt shingles, slate, or tile roofs using a non-pressure roof cleaning method. With our roof cleaning, we also give you a 2-year warranty against the return of the black streaks. You can clean your gutters out, and we also offer window cleaning. Give us a call for all your exterior cleaning needs. It's Roof Cleaning by A&E, 717-324-4208. And visit our website at roofcleaningpa.com.